Hello and welcome back to Music Mitra. My name is Bindu Nair and this is a channel where we discuss simple concepts about Carnatic music so that you can understand this art form better and learn to appreciate it better. Don't shy away from classical music. So let's learn together. Today's episode is about the way a student would learn Carnatic music. Continuation of that, we have spoken on this topic even earlier, and I have spoken about the first lesson known as Sarali varisais, where a beginner would start his training from his or her training from Sarali varisais, which are simple swara exercises structured in various patterns. Today's topic is Jantai varisais, which is the second lesson a beginner would learn. Jantai varisais is nothing but multiple swaras, that is 2 or 3 swaras together, same swara repeated twice or thrice. So that is known as Jantai swaras. So the exercises with double swaras are known as Jantai varisais. So a typical Jantai varisais would have sa, sa, ri, ri, ga, ga, ma, ma and so on. So this can be structured in various patterns like we did in the first lesson. Now, when we sing a Jantai varisais, always the second note is given more stress. So, when I sing 2 sas, sa, sa, the second sa is given more punch than the first sa. This is also an introduction to one of the gamakas that are used in Carnatic music. This type of gamaka, where we stress on the second note when there are 2 consecutive notes, is known as puritam in the Dashavida gamakas in Carnatic music. So this is also a phase where the student is introduced to learning of gamakas. So when we do this in akaram or a, these swara patterns, it is also a practice to understand gamaka. So this is a very important exercise, not only as a beginner, later on also when we need to do voice training, to improve our voice, to improve our gamaka singing. This exercise is fundamental in Carnatic music practice. So there are normally 9 to 10 Jantai varisais that are normally taught to students, and the last one or two would be what we call it Vakra Jantai. Vakra meaning jumbled. So the order of swaras could be sa, 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 ma, ma, ga, ga, ri, ri and so on, or sa, ma, ga, ma, ri, ga, sa, ri, sa, sa, ri, ri, ga, ga, ma, ma. So always there will be one part which is of multiple double swaras or triple swaras. So this is the exercise of Jantai varisais. So the way we put talam for this is also slightly different from Sarali varisais, because here, because there are 2 swaras, we put the talam also in randukale, that is sa, sa, ri, ri, ga, ga, ma, ma, pa, pa, dha, dha, ni, ni, sa, sa and so on. So this is a simple introduction to the lesson Jantai varisais. This is also sung in 3 speeds or 3 kale for better swara understanding and grip over the swarasthanas. So once we finish this lesson, only then we are allowed to go into further lessons like Dhatu varisais, Alankaras and so on. So this is a very, very important lesson in Carnatic music learning, Jantai varisais. So if you have any questions, in another episode I think I might do a singing session for Jantai varisais. Today was just an introductory talk on Jantai varisais. If you have any questions, please do write in the comments below and I would love to answer your queries, or you can also send us a mail at sanskritiacademymusic@gmail.com as usual. I'm sure a lot of you are enjoying these simple tidbit information about Carnatic music, and I'm really happy to see the encouragement that you are sending me through your emails. Please continue your support Please do subscribe and share this video with friends and family so that we can spread the knowledge of Carnatic music to more people and bring this bliss of music to one and all. Thank you so much for watching. I will come back soon with another simple tip or simple knowledge series on Carnatic music. See you soon and stay safe. Bye.